Welcome to our journey into the heart of the Internet. We will explore the fundamental building blocks of Internet communication protocols. Protocols ensure data is transmitted accurately and securely across the web. From sending an email to streaming a show, protocols work behind the scenes. Every piece of data is like a vehicle navigating through a city, following traffic rules. Protocols guide our data safely and efficiently through digital highways. Let's dive into the world of Internet protocols and understand their importance. Welcome to the fascinating world of Internet protocols. Protocols are the unsung heroes that make the Internet work seamlessly. Imagine trying to communicate without a common language. That's what the Internet would be like without these essential rules. Protocols ensure data is sent and received accurately and securely. Without protocols, the Internet as we know it would not exist. They are the invisible threads that weave the global web together. Let's dive into the realm of SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer. This protocol is the unsung guardian of your digital communications, working silently to ensure your online activities remain private and secure. Imagine sending a letter in an impenetrable envelope. That's what SSL does for your data. It wraps your information in encryption, making it unreadable to interceptors. Picture it as a secure tunnel for your data. When you visit a website secured with SSL, you'll see a padlock icon. This icon means your connection is safe and data is encrypted. SSL starts with an SSL handshake, exchanging cryptographic keys. Its successor, TLS, offers enhanced security features. Together, SSL and TLS protect our data from cyber threats. Welcome to the world of HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the backbone of data communication on the World Wide Web. It acts as the language that web browsers and servers use to communicate. When you type a web address, your browser sends an HTTP request to the server. The server responds with the requested page, which your browser displays. HTTP ensures your request is understood and the response is correctly interpreted. HTTPS combines HTTP with SSL TLS encryption, protecting your data. Stay tuned to learn more about the invisible forces that power your online experiences. Welcome to the world of SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP ensures your emails are delivered to the correct recipients. Imagine you're sending a physical letter. You write it, put it in an envelope, and drop it into a mailbox. SMTP works similarly for your emails. When you hit send, your email client uses SMTP to relay the message. The server determines the best route for your email. The recipient's server places the email in their inbox. SMTP ensures emails are transmitted quickly and accurately. Additional protocols like MIME and SMTPS enhance functionality and security. Stay tuned to uncover more about the invisible forces that power your digital experiences. Welcome to Chapter 5, FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FTP is a standard network protocol for transferring files between a client and server. Think of FTP as a digital courier service for uploading and downloading files. It operates on a client-server model, ensuring accurate and efficient file transfers. Secure versions like FTPS and SFTP add encryption to protect data during transfer. FTP is essential for web developers, IT professionals, and secure file sharing. Welcome to Chapter 6, DNS, Domain Name System. DNS translates human-friendly domain names into IP addresses like the phone book of the Internet. When you type a website address, DNS translates it into a numerical IP address, enabling computers to communicate. Your computer queries a DNS resolver, which checks its cache or queries other DNS servers to find the IP address. This process happens in milliseconds, making Internet navigation quick and efficient. DNS is crucial for many Internet functions. DNS has built-in security features to protect against attacks, ensuring reliable Internet services. Stay tuned for more insights. Welcome to Chapter 7, TCP/IP, the backbone of Internet communication. TCP/IP is a suite of communication protocols used to interconnect network devices on the Internet. It dictates how data should be packetized, addressed, transmitted, routed, and received. Think of TCP/IP as the postal system of the Internet, ensuring data packets reach their destination. TCP breaks down data into packets and reassembles them, while IP handles addressing and routing. Together, they form the fundamental framework for Internet communication. Without TCP/IP, the Internet as we know it wouldn't exist. Think about the last time you checked your email, browsed your favorite online store, or streamed a movie. These activities have become so ingrained in our daily routines that we often take them for granted. Behind the scenes of these everyday online activities lies a complex world of Internet protocols. These protocols are the backbone of the Internet, making sure everything runs smoothly. Just like traffic rules ensure smooth flow, Internet protocols govern data travel, preventing congestion and ensuring efficiency. These protocols work tirelessly in the background, ensuring that our online interactions are seamless and secure. They are the unsung heroes of the internet, enabling us to connect, communicate, and access information with ease. In the digital age, security is paramount, especially when sharing sensitive information online. That's where SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, comes in. SSL safeguards your data while it's traveling across the internet. Imagine SSL as a secure tunnel that protects your information. You'll notice a padlock icon and HTTPS in the address bar. SSL encrypts data between your device and the server. This encryption scrambles your information, making it unreadable for hackers. Thanks to SSL, you can shop, bank, and share information securely. HTTP, or Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the foundation of the World Wide Web. It allows your web browser to communicate with websites. Think of HTTP as a conversation between your browser and a server. When you type a website address, your browser sends an HTTP request. The server responds by sending the requested page back. HTTP transfers text, images, videos, and other multimedia content. It's the protocol that makes web browsing possible. Section 4. SMTP, Sending Digital Postcards. Remember the days of sending postcards? SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is like the digital equivalent of the postal service for email. Whenever you send an email, SMTP comes into play. It's responsible for transporting your email from your email client to the recipient's email server. Think of it as the carrier pigeon of the internet, delivering your digital messages to their intended destinations. SMTP works in conjunction with other protocols like IMAP and POP, which we'll discuss later. SMTP's primary role is to ensure that your email reaches the correct server, while IMAP and POP handle the receiving and managing of emails once they arrive. Thanks to SMTP, we can stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues across the globe, sending and receiving digital messages instantly. Section 5. IMAP and POP Managing Your Inbox. In this section, we will delve into the intricacies of managing your email inbox effectively using IMAP and POP protocols. Now that we've covered how emails are sent with SMTP, let's talk about how they're received and managed. IMAP and POP are essential tools that help you access and organize your emails efficiently. IMAP keeps your messages on the server, allowing access from multiple devices. POP downloads emails to your device, storing them locally. Choose the right protocol based on your needs and email management style. FTP, sharing files around the world. Need to transfer large files? FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is here to help. FTP acts like a digital courier service, allowing you to upload and download files securely. It's essential for tasks like uploading website files to a web hosting server. Sharing large files with colleagues is simple and straightforward with FTP. You need an FTP client software and login credentials for the remote server. Navigate directories, upload, and download files with ease. Secure versions like SFTP and FTPS offer encrypted file transfers. Section 7. The Symphony of Protocols. In the grand orchestra of the internet protocols are the talented musicians, each playing a crucial role in creating a harmonious online experience. From securing our communications to delivering web pages and enabling file sharing, these protocols work tirelessly behind the scenes. We've explored a handful of essential internet protocols in this journey, but there are many more, each with its own unique purpose and function. Together, they form the backbone of the internet, connecting billions of devices and enabling the seamless flow of information that shapes our digital lives. As we continue to rely on the internet for communication, entertainment, work, and more, understanding the role of internet protocols is paramount. These unsung heroes deserve our appreciation for making the internet the powerful and indispensable tool it is today.